Good morning. My name is Beena, and our team is called Counter to Safety, and our software is also called Counter to Safety. And my teammates are Ashutosh and Thomas. So we developed a software that we could use to study a video feed from a camera and count the number of people entering or leaving the entrance. So the reason for this application is that due to COVID-19, we are trying to avoid overcrowding in areas. So, for example, in shops, by placing a camera at the entrance and counting the number of people entering inside, if the user gives a maximum number, a safety limit, then once that safety limit is reached, there'll be a voice message saying that the maximum limit is reached and people should wait. So new customers should wait till old customers have left, after which the voice message will say that a certain number of people can enter inside. So this helps to organize the flow of people inside the shop and avoid crowding. And we have made it to be user friendly, and it can be used for different situations because we give the user the ability to define the entrance at which and the region of interest where the tracking has to be done. So this code can be used for different purposes such as inside metro trains or in buses, shops, um, and yeah, to go to the demonstration. So this is the GUI for the software. The user has to enter the maximum limit of people. The number of people inside is not necessary, but for the purpose of the demonstration, we enter that there are already 16 people inside. And we give the width of the threshold, which is when you select and set up your camera and you define the entrance, you get a plus 75 and minus 75 region, and this area between the green lines is your region of interest where people are tracked to see if they're entering or leaving. So when we start the function, you can see that the maximum limit is 20. When one person enters, the total number increased to 17. And there's a voice message saying 3 people can enter. It has increased to 18 and 19. And now that it has reached 20, it gives a message asking people to wait every 3 seconds till people have exited. So now that 2 people have exited, it says that 2 people can enter. This voice message of the number of people that can enter is only displayed when you have less than 5 people that can enter. At other times, there is no voice message. Again, the maximum limit is reached and the voice message asks to wait. So most applications use a top view as it is easier, but we also wanted to try to use a different angle of the camera so that we can see how versatile the code could be. So we can enter the number of people and a threshold and use another video with a front view, and you can see how it works. There are some problems with detection of people due to the libraries that we have used, but we have not worked on the object detection, but just used existing libraries. Hence, we have chosen the best option based on accuracy and speed. So, future implementations that we would like to do are to use machine learning algorithms. So if we could study if the software is able to study the movement of the people in the room and plot curves of this movement, then we can use machine learning algorithms such as clusterization of the curves so that the software can compare the current person's trajectory with the previous data and uh, it would be able to learn to adapt to the environment, recognize false detections, and to predict the entry and exit of a person more reliably. We could also use this code for multiple cameras and installed at different entrances of the shop. And we could use multiprocessing in Python to make the code work faster. Thank you for listening to this. Thank you for your time.